I'm not even flooring it. I just
grind third gear.
No, I didn't. I didn't grind any gear.
I just heard a clunk, different clunk.
That's just what the noise is doing.
What more did like? What was your 60-foot reaction time?
Dude, do you see the reaction on that? Check this out. This is how you should.
That's how you should have Japanese fire truck.
Check out these ships. Here, get this on camera. Hold on, here comes.
First gear. Second gear.
Oh shit, I missed it. Yo, sir.
Go down my yo.
Go down right here, yo. Hey, the Porsche.
The Porsche.
Right there, yo. Right
Porsche.
there.
He's there.
Oh, there is this car right there, yeah.
Yo, sir!
Pull up.
You just can't park like that.
You just came to say hi real fast.
How you doing?
What's up, yo? Yeah, Buff right there. Hey, doggy.
Oh, that's a big dog.
Oh, that's a big dog.
Yeah, bite this black guy.
Son, you just need to buff this thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
Oh man, Buff right out.
Dude, finish it up.
What's up, guys?
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Guess what we're doing this week?
Guess what you're doing?
Damn, how's it coming along, man?
That's the other side. Almost done.
Oh, nice. Nice and shiny.
Finishing the roof. And then gotta glaze it. Go from there.
Super nice. You guys know the B20, V-Tech, and E85. Joe Sher's Killer Manila. Nice.
It's coming along.
Yeah.
You'll see the prelude though.
I know. What's up with that load?
It's a road race car.
Oh.
I don't even know what motor. I would assume it's not prelude.
They race this thing all over the world.
Check it out.
They want like $23,000. Look at this thing.
Hey,
man.
saying shit out.
Yeah, man, it's set up I want just like this thing. Rip some road coaster, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This motor probably don't even brake for them, son. Probably don't, if the motor doesn't brake, a Honda, you know what I mean?
What's in here?
It's either gonna be H23 or
What?
H23.
H23.
Oh.
Non-VTEC.
yeah.
Stock motor.
I know, they'll probably just rip this thing.
And these guys ain't easy on this. They run that
Hardcore, right?
Look at that breather.
Probably a front wheel drive class. Or something.
Yeah, external. Like all these.
Yeah, hey, we record the rear. Someone take a look at the bottom, just like the fifth gen.
Oh, look, it's got an air.
Well, you never know. Probably got pissed. They probably got high compression. No, probably not. If you're gonna road race, no high compression because it might.
Looks like it's gonna be a stock class.
Yeah, stock
Stock
class.
class.
It's a thing to like in case it gets something like something.
But once you always drive a car, that you move right up to the extreme class, right? No matter what. So you might as well boost more.
Yeah, if you're heavily modifying something, you change your class by lot.
Yeah.
That's a fire suppression system.
Uh-huh.
So if like the engine may go, you just pull the valve and then just yeah.
Fire suppress.
That's it.
Are you taking this back now?
I don't know. I'll just lower whatever you want.
Let me know.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Sorry about it.
All right,
guys.
All right,
See you
fellas.
guys.
Take it easy. All right. Ripping. We over here at Winner's Circle.
Hey, what's up?
We're the only winner right here. Hey, nobody wants to race this guy. As soon as they go all-wheel drive, nobody want to race him. No Lambo, no nothing, my here.
Nothing.
Nothing, man. Soon though, soon.
I don't know why.
Nobody else, right? Yeah, man. Once you grip, it's over, right? And you're not even done with it yet.
No.
Yep, more to go.
It's at 550 right now.
550 right.
Hoping in the next, let's say 2 months, I can get it upwards close to 7.
7. Is it built bottom end?
It will be.
Okay.
It's gonna be full
Full build.
build. I'm gonna go with Albritton gear set. That's gonna come in 2 weeks, so we're gonna do the full Albritton gear set with the synchro, so it's still streetable.
Okay, nice.
Smaller fuel cell, and that's about it. Might change the intercooler kit up a little bit.
Okay, okay.
You know, it comes as it goes.
Nice, brother. What's up, bro?
BFR. My name is Paris.
Paris.
Alec.
You guys are Instagram plug?
Yes, sir.
What's the Instagram?
Say it again.
What's the Instagram?
Daddy's Life 22 underscore. Daddy's Life underscore 22.
Oh, so your father?
Yes, sir.
Same here, brother?
Yes,
Alec
sir.
underscore McGee.
McGee? Okay, cool, cool. You guys getting the car down here too, or just hanging out?
Just hanging out. Yeah. I have a car here, so.
owner of BFR.
Oh, BFR. Oh, yeah, bro, Ferris. You don't know my bro, Ferris.
What's up?
Yeah, we're sorry. You sitting in the car talking?
Hey, what's up? You guys all will drive K-swap this thing.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should. We should.
I honestly, I will pay you guys.
Yeah, we should. A 4-door, this would be nice. This would be nice to do.
Sleeper.
Because it has a length and everything. It'd be nice. Nice 4 stickies on there.
If I do that, I'm going all out. I'm gonna end up painting the whole thing. I'm gonna do the whole shebang.
Yeah, this is the shape that I like, dude.
Yeah.
This shape right here, the front, the coupe, and the 4 doors.
And
These are the only 4 doors.
Sleeper.
Yeah. They're nice sleeper for sure. Let's head inside.
TK, you and also dad?
What's up?
Yeah,
I know you're a dad, dude. I saw that picture. I was like, oh, just slowing down.
2 on the way.
2 on the way?
Or 1 on the way now.
One more? Oh, don't jinx yourself, bro.
1 on the way.
Don't jinx yourself. What's up, bro? What are you doing, man? Inhaling some fumes?
Say what?
Oh, you turn the radio up, you know, copyright. We don't want to make that money. No copyright. Look at this thing. Nice CW coming out back again. Checking out the sleeper, getting ready for Hday. It's all stuffed up. Right, Sam? Nice, right? Yep. Y'all remember this. It's still gonna be sleeper with the hubcaps and everything, but you know we gotta make the paint look nice. If you guys forget what a sleeper is boom. Yep. We're getting it ready for Hday. Should be looking real nice. We're gonna keep you guys up to date with what's going on with this as soon as it's done. Right, Jay? Right, big man, the real big man, the real general of that. The real general, not that fake one, the real one. Yo, Jay, we out.
You're out?
Yeah. Keep racing, bro.
Be safe, brother.
Easy.
You guys gonna check your car out or no?
Yeah, I already did. Alright, brother. Easy.
All right, guys. Take it easy. Drive safe.
Alright, no.
Also, guys, we want to remind you that we have the Delta 7 rear dismount kits currently in stock and ready to ship. We also want to remind you that we will be at Honda Day in Maryland on April 10th and 11th. That's MIR in Mechanicsville. Honda Day, April 10th and 11th. We hope to see you all there. And once again, we always appreciate the love and support.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the scaling times.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's build. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant.